Today I will be reviewing my metal glass bar cart. I actually put this bar cart together. As you can see, it has a spot available for your glasses, your bottles, and individual shelves for decor or for liquor bottles. I definitely loved how easy it was to assemble. It looks amazing. It also has wheels, so you are able to move it from place to place. As you can see, it does have a handle. This makes it very easy to transport from place to place. The instructions were very easy to follow, and I did like that the tempered glass was nice and secure. Now that you've seen a full overview of what the bar cart looks like, I want to go ahead and give you a close-up on just each individual piece. This bar cart does have a handle right here, so you are easily able to transport it from place to place. Also right here, it does have 3 different slots where you could go ahead and put your wine bottles or glasses right here. It is very spacious, so it does have enough space to place a variety of different cups. Now right here, if you can see, it does have a grid-like metal frame, so you could go ahead and put your wine bottles or liquor bottles right here. I do like that each individual shelf does have glass. So as you can see, this whole thing has glass. Right here, this does not have glass, however, this part does, and then on the bottom shelf, it has a glass shelf as well. You could place bottles, you could place any snacks, anything for your guests or for your home. And it actually does not need to even be a liquor style bar cart. It could actually be like a coffee section. So just depending on your preference, this could be either a coffee little station or a liquor station. But overall, it was so easy to assemble, very, very nice quality, super durable, and I would definitely recommend. Take a look at how spacious this bar cart is. I added a few glasses and bottles, and I still had plenty of room.